Hello, I'm currently pursuing a doctoral course in artificial intelligence and machine learning at Walsh, delivered in collaboration with the Great Learning. This program has given me a strong and structured understanding of AI and ML, both in theory and practice. Through the course, I've deepened my knowledge in predictive model, neural networks, and data-driven decision-making. A combination of academic rigor from Walsh and the applied industry focused approach from Great Learning has made my learning practical and impactful. What makes this journey stronger is the support I receive. Walsh provides academic depth and guidance, while Great Learning offers mentorship, peer collaboration, and hands-on projects that connect directly to real-world application. Together, they ensure I'm not only mastering the subject, but I'm also applying it effectively to resolve real challenges. Thank you.